Hello, this is Catherine from the YusiBooks team. Welcome to YusiBooks Online. If your customer will pay you at a later date for the products or services you provide, you need to create an invoice. Let's see how to create an invoice using YusiBooks. To begin, click on Invoices, or simply click Create Invoice if you want to create a new one. All your previously created invoices will be displayed here. To create a new invoice, click on Add New Invoice. If you have already added clients, select one from the list. If not, you will need to add a new client by going to the Client section. Once you select a customer or client, all their details will automatically appear below. Next, add the product or service details, such as description, rate, quantity, You can also include an additional note if needed. After entering all the details, you can either save or generate the invoice. For now, let's click Generate Invoice. Your new invoice is now generated and added to the panel. From here, you can edit, download, or delete the invoice.